Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. Today I want to show you how to download water bodies from USGS sites. To do that, open your browser and open a new tab. Then type earthexplorer.usgs.gov. Click enter. So when you open the page, make sure you are logged into your account. Then come to search criteria and come to decoder and let's search with places. Let's search Geojay Dam. Click show. This is it, Geojay Dam in Nigeria. Click on it. So this is where Geojay Dam is and we want to download the water body here. So to do that, come to data sets, come to digital elevation, expand it, come to SRTM and come to SRTM water body data. Check it. Then come back to results. Click on it. So this is the result. Click on footprint. So we want to download the extent covered by this tile, the water body here. So to do that, click on download option. Click on download. Click start download. So it's a very small size. In few seconds it will be downloaded. So download complete. Close this page. Then let's open our folder under download. This is it. Right click it and extract it. Click OK. This is it. It is extracted. Now open any GIS software. Let's open ArcMap for example. Click add data. Let's navigate to the file and load it in. It's under our downloads. Okay, this is it. Open it. Then this is the click and add. Click OK. So this is the water body downloaded. So you can change the symbology. Let's change the color to, for example, blue, and click on OK. So this is the water body in that area we have downloaded. So this is how to download water bodies from USGS account. Thank you for watching.